Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can change the username on your Instagram account. So first of all, open the Instagram app and make sure you are already logged into your account. If you don't know how to create an Instagram account, we also have a video on that as well. Now once you are on the home screen, tap on the avatar like icon which is at the bottom right corner. So once you tap this, your profile will open up. Now to change your username, tap on the edit profile option which is under your bio. Now you will see your option with username. That's my username, so just tap on the option and delete this like this. Just enter a username and tap on the done option. Again tap on done, and that's how you can change the username on your Instagram account. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.